Hi guys. Today's video is part 2 of how to make money with ChatGPT and Tool for Seller. If you haven't seen the part 1, I'll put the link here. Go check it. Tool for Seller's AI listing generator function is now available. It's a super easy to use tool that can help you create an authentic and professional product listing in just 1 minute. Select how many bullet points you want to generate. It supports for all Amazon marketplaces and covers 13 languages. All you need to do is to enter your product, selling points, relevant keywords, and generate your listing with one click. Just wait for a few seconds, and there you go. If you don't like anything of the generated results, you can edit this part at any time or regenerate that part separately. Tool for Sellers AI Listing Generator is an incredible tool to help Amazon sellers create professional product listings quickly and efficiently. It's super easy to use, customizable, and can help you increase your sales on Amazon. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tools for Amazon sellers. See you next time.